Hey there everyone, it's me, James, and as you all know, I promised I would continue my nature documentary series, and I must show I have the bait to a Freddy fazbear. I'm gonna leave the bait here. They also don't like socks, so throw that fucking sock away. Okay, let's leave it here, and we'll see what happens. He senses that there is someone around. It is me, but he goes for the food. Oh, I got you now, Freddy Fazbear. Oh no. No! Stop eating the fucking camera! He's eating me! No! No! Okay, I need to run.